Hey guys, this is Matt from ABICOR BINZEL. I want to show you today how to install a wire liner and connector kit onto your ABIMIG air-cooled MIG gun. So when you get a BINZEL connector kit, you're going to get the power pin and the retaining nut. This is going to be the same for any welding machine. First step, so there's this little insulating screw right here. We're going to want to take that out. With an Allen key, loosen the set screw, take the power pin, and thread it in. Once it's in, take a wrench, a little turn to make sure it's tight. Retighten the set screw, and put the insulating screw back in. Okay. Now all we have to do is install our wire liner. So the first step before we install our wire liner is we want to make sure that our gun is laid out as flat as possible and that we're wearing proper eye protection. When we're installing our liner, we want to make sure we use short strokes to avoid kinking and that our liner is free of contaminants. Now that the wire liner's through, we're going to install our retainer nut. Where you cut the wire liner is going to depend on your welding machine and the location of the drive rolls on the machine. Now that the retaining nut's in, we're going to cut our liner. It's really important that you use a good pair of cutters. You want to make sure you get a clean cut and that your wire liner inner diameter is not compromised. Now we want to cut the liner a little bit recessed to accommodate the contact tip. So the first step is take your cutters, nip the wire liner flush against the diffuser, and after you nip the liner, give the cable a little twist. It's going to expose a little bit more of that wire liner. We're going to want to cut 2 coils back. So now your liner is recessed slightly so your contact tip will fit in correctly. Now we install the contact tip, then our nozzle, and you're all set. Now that our wire liner and connector kit are installed, we're ready to plug into our welding machine. So the first step, just take the power pin, slide it in. You want to make sure that the wire liner is positioned as close to the drive rolls as possible. Connect the drive rolls, then tighten to secure the power pin. After that, take your trigger lead, plug it in, and you're all set. If you want to see more BINZEL how-to videos, check out our YouTube channel or visit us at binzel-abicor.com. This is Matt from ABICOR BINZEL. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.